Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation on building a high-performance PC that meets office requirements. I'll be presenting to you the 14 essential components needed to assemble an efficient and reliable setup, all within our budget of 60,000 up to 100,000 pesos. So let's go.
I choose this because according to the Shop Intel, Core CPU can handle multiple processing tasks efficiently and has its smooth performance. Here are some of its specifications. I choose this because it provides excellent graphical performance for productivity and gaming, especially that it has its compatibility with the CPU as it was set in the same product. Here are some of its specifications. I chose this product from the motherboard of the computer because it provides power to all PC components and it does run smoothly and efficiently. Here are some of its specifications. It ensures that the PC will run smoothly and can handle various files and other stuffs within the system performance. Here are some of its specifications. Making sure that it conducts stable power to all of the components in the computer presented and ensuring that it will run the system smoothly. Here are some of its specifications. I choose this to keep the CPU cool and avoiding it to be overheating. Here are some of its specifications. It protects and houses all internal components of the computer securely with good airflow and it doesn't give trouble to the system. Here are some of its specifications. I choose this because according to the product seller it provides reliable wireless connectivity and fast internet speeds and it DOAS and lag the computer components at all. Here are some of its specifications. It offers fast and reliable storage for applications and files, especially those with a high gigabyte. Here are some of its specifications. I chose this as a monitor of the computer because it provides sharp visuals and smooth refresh rates, especially for school purposes, for work and online gaming. Here are some of its specifications. I choose this because it provides a responsive and customizable typing experience. It also gives you a comfortable typing experience. Here are some of its specifications. Ensuring that in every movement of a cursor gives an accurate and responsive endpoint. Here are some of its specifications. Making sure that it delivers immersive audio for online gaming and virtual meetings, where the audio doesn't have its cracked sounds. Here are some of its specifications. I choose this product because it provides high-quality video and it gives you the best visual of yourself when having this kind of WBC AM. Here are some of its specifications. Here is the summary of the PC builds components and its specifications with its prices. And there you have it, our complete high-performance PC featuring top-tier components within budget. This setup ensures smooth performance and reliability for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.